Is your car's steering feeling a bit off lately? That smooth, effortless turning you're used to might be a distant memory, signaling trouble with your power steering system. It's a critical component for safe and comfortable driving, so recognizing the early warning signs can save you from more costly repairs down the road. One of the most common indicators of power steering trouble is unusual noises. If you hear a whining, groaning, or squealing sound when you turn the steering wheel, especially at low speeds or when stationary, it's often a sign of low power steering fluid or a failing pump. These sounds typically worsen as the problem escalates. Another clear symptom is fluid leaks. If you notice reddish-brown or amber puddles under your car, particularly near the front, it could be power steering fluid escaping. Leaks can occur from hoses, the pump, or the steering rack itself, and even small leaks can lead to significant issues if left unaddressed. A noticeable stiffness or difficulty turning the steering wheel is perhaps the most direct sign of a problem. If steering feels significantly heavier or requires more effort than usual, especially when maneuvering at low speeds, your power steering system is likely struggling to provide adequate assistance. Conversely, a power steering issue can also manifest as overly loose or wandering steering. If your vehicle feels like it's drifting or you constantly have to make small corrections to stay in a straight line, it could indicate wear in the steering rack or other components within the power steering system, leading to a loss of precise control. Basic troubleshooting often begins with checking your power steering fluid level. Locate the power steering reservoir, usually a translucent plastic container with a cap, and check the fluid against the hot and cold markings. Low fluid is a primary culprit for many power steering issues. If it's low, top it off with the manufacturer-recommended fluid. While you're checking the fluid, take a moment to inspect the serpentine belt that drives the power steering pump. Look for cracks, fraying, or excessive wear. A loose or worn belt can cause the pump to operate inefficiently, leading to stiff steering or those characteristic squealing noises. You should also check for any visible damage or leaks on the power steering hoses. Sometimes, simply topping off the fluid can resolve minor issues, especially if a small leak was the cause. If the fluid looks dark and dirty, a power steering fluid flush might be beneficial to remove contaminants. For a squealing belt, checking and adjusting its tension, or replacing it if worn, can often fix the problem. However, some issues go beyond simple DIY fixes. If you've addressed fluid levels and belt tension and the problems persist, or if you suspect a major leak, a failing power steering pump, or a damaged steering rack, it's crucial to seek professional help. These components are complex and require specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and repair safely. Ignoring power steering issues can lead to dangerous driving conditions and more expensive repairs. Always prioritize your vehicle's health and your safety by addressing any signs of trouble promptly. A well-maintained power steering system ensures a smooth and controlled driving experience for everyone on the road.